Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie. This is Purity by Anna Morte and Diamond Art Club. It is 22 inches by 28 inches or 55.8 centimeters by 70.7 centimeters. It has 46 colors with 2 ABs and 2 fairy dust, and this was part of a mystery box. I like the colors and the doves. Fairy by Jeremiah Kettner and Diamond Art Club. All of the rest that we're going to see are Diamond Art Club. It's 22 by 28 inches or 55.8 by 70.6 centimeters. It has 66 colors with 4 fairy dust and 3 AB. And I think she's adorable with her little fairy wings and the teddy bear. Birthday Mermaid by Erica the Goober. It's 22 by 28 inches or 55.6 by 70.7 centimeters. It has 56 colors with 6 fairy dust and 2 ABs. Or Love of Learning by Eau Claire Studio, 22 by 28 inches or 55.6 by 70.7 centimeters. It has 45 colors with 4 fairy dust and 2 ABs. Don't Quit by Jennifer Lambian. It is 22 by 28 inches or 55.6 by 70.7 centimeters. It has 63 colors with, oh my goodness, 4 AB, and it has 4 AB and 6 fairy dust. And it says, don't quit your daydream. Happy Place by Erica the Goober, 22 by 28 inches or 55.6 centimeters by 70.7 centimeters. It has 3 fairy dust and no ABs. It's a girl with a book and her doggies on her lap. I think we have a pattern going on here. Another Erica the Goober, same size as the others, 22 inches by 28 inches. It is called Otter Friends. It has 2 ABs and 5 fairy dust. And I believe I got this off of a D-stash. Wildflowers by Riley Gray and Diamond Art Club. 22 inches by 29 inches or 55.6 centimeters by 73.7 centimeters. It has 72 colors, 1 AB and 3 fairy dust. And I have wanted to do this one for a long time now. I just have so many, but this is one of my favorite. So I'm looking forward to starting it someday. It has the pink lines on it. I don't believe they transferred over. No, they did not. This is a very special one. I purchased it, sold it, and purchased it again because I love it so much. And it is Blushing Moon by Molly Harrison, 22 by 29 inches, 72 colors, no AB, 3 fairy dust. That's not true. It has 4 colors under the 150 range, so 4 AB and 3 fairy dust. And if I kit up any autumn painting this year, it'll be this one. This one is Precious Fairy by 35 Designs, 28 by 22 inches, and it has 55 colors with 2 AB and 2 fairy dust. And this was a gift to me from my sister for Christmas. This one is Bridge of Faith by Thomas Kincaid, and it is 22 by 29 inches and has 56 colors with 2 ABs and 3 fairy dusts. Another Thomas Kincaid. This one is Beside Still Waters, 22 by 29 inches with 89 colors, 3 AB and 3 fairy dusts. This is Hoppy Spring Bunny. This is Hoppy Spring Bunny by Katrina Crehan, 29 by 22 inches. It is 95 colors with 3 ABs and 4 fairy dusts. Ocean Eyes by Margaret Morales. It's 22 by 29 inches, 96 colors, 1 AB and 3 fairy dusts. Cocoa Comfort by Maddie Arts, 22 inches by 29 inches, 52 colors, 2 AB, 3 fairy dusts. Love Tessie by Margaret Morales, 22 inches by 32 inches, 100 colors, 1 AB and 3 fairy dusts. And this is one of my favorites that Margaret has done. I don't know if I'm going to feel the same way once I diamond paint it, but that's how I feel right now. Ballerina's Enchanting Ecstasy by Leon da Vinci, 22 by 33 inches, 50 8 colors, 3 AB, and 4 fairy dust. Succulents by Peggy Collins, and it has 72 colors with 5 AB, 3 fairy dust with 1 L, which is iridescent. Trio of Poppies by Peggy Collins, 22 by 33 inches, 76 colors with 3 AB and 3 fairy dust. The Sugar Plum Fairy by Mandy Manzano. It's 22 by 35 inches or 56 by 89 centimeters. It has 45 colors with 2 AB. This is an older one. This is Nantucket Sunset by Joseph Holoduck, and it has 67 colors with 2 AB and 7 fairy dust. Afternoon Tea by Art by Julia, 23.6 by 29.5 inches. It has 72 colors, 2 AB and 4 fairy dust, and 1 M drill. The next one is a mystery kit. I will not show it. Mystery 99. Christmas Festive by Creative Studios. It's 31.5 inches by 23.6 inches or 79.9 centimeters by 60 centimeters. It has 61 colors with 1 AB and 4 fairy dusts. And I saw the image before I purchased it because they made a mistake on Diamond Art Club's website. Pajama Time by Randall Spangler. It is 25.6 by 25.6 inches or 65 by 65 centimeters. It has 66 colors with 5 ABs. I'll Love You Forever by Claudia McKinney, 25.6 by 25.6 inches or 65 by 65 centimeters. It has 76 colors with 1 AB and 5 fairy dust. Chirps of Love by Teresa Donahue McManus, 25.6 by 25.6 inches or 65 by 65 centimeters. It has 80 colors with 4 AB and 2 fairy dust. Christmas Fairy by JS Designs. It is 31.9 by 25.6 inches or 80.9 centimeters by 65 centimeters. It has 2 ABs and 3 fairy dusts. Couple at the Beach Sunset, Leon da Vinci, 25.6 by 25.6 inches, 65 by 65 centimeters. It has 60 colors, 1 fairy dust, and 5 AB. I Love You Too Much by Teresa Donahue McManus, 25.6 by 25.6 or 65 by 65 centimeters. It has 93 colors with 6 AB and 3 fairy dust. Stained Glass Hummingbird and Hibiscus by Peggy Collins, 25.6 by 25.6 or 65 by 65 centimeters. It has 60 colors with 1 fairy dust and 4 AB. The Great Big Owl by Jeremiah Kettner, 32.3 inches by 25.6 inches, 82 centimeters by 65 centimeters. It has 56 colors, 2 fairy dusts, and 2 AB. Garden Fantasy by Sandra Bergeron, 25.6 inches by 32.7 inches, 65 by 83 centimeters. It has 81 colors with 4 fairy dusts and 4 AB. Little Wanderer by Molly Harrison, 25.6 by 34.3 inches or 65 centimeters by 86.9 centimeters. It has 73 colors with 2 ABs and 4 fairy dusts. An Earthly Tree with Branches in Heaven by Lena Owens, 25.6 by 38.6 inches or 65 by 97.8 centimeters. It has 88 colors with 2 AB and 3 fairy dusts. The Shelter by Kim Norleen, 39 inches by 25.6 inches or 98.8 centimeters by 65 centimeters. It has 59 colors, 3 AB, 2 fairy dust. Apothecary Shop by Claudia McKinney, 27.6 by 27.6 or 69.9 by 69.9 centimeters. It has 94 colors with 4 AB, 1 iridescent, 1 metallic, and 5 fairy dust. Home is Where the Heart Is by Teresa Donahue McManus, 27.6 by 32.7 inches or 69.9 centimeters by 82.9 centimeters. It has 82 colors with 3 AB, 4 fairy dust. Welcoming the New Year by Bonnie White, 35.4 inches by 27.6 inches or 89.9 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. It has 72 colors with 1 AB and 5 fairy dust. Piece of the Garden by Chuck Pinson, 36.6 inches by 27.6 inches, or 92.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. It has 67 colors with 2 AB and 4 fairy dust. Candy Waterfalls by Eau Claire Studio, 27.6 inches by 40.6 inches, or 70 by 103 centimeters. It has 97 beautiful colors, 3 AB and 2 fairy dust. And last but not least, Christmas Service by Thomas Kincaid, 40.6 inches by 27.6 inches, or 102.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. It has 92 colors with 4 AB and 7 fairy dust. And I just kitted this up, and I'm going to start working on it this month in August. So those are all my kits that I have not touched, except for with the exception of this one. And of course I have 22 others that are kitted up or whips. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Take care. Bye.